So hi friends, welcome back again in our YouTube channel Crypto Financial Freedom, and in this video we are going to cover regarding again the topic LOT token. So in my previous two videos I have told you that this is going to be one of the best token for initial ICO, and the time for this one is only for 1 month. But if we talk regarding the target, the time is killing very soon, and hardly you are having next 10 days guys. You would not have more than 10 days, so just don't forget to take dive in here. It is not any financial advisor and I am not any financial advisor, and this video is only for educational as well as entertainment purpose. You can do your own research before investing, because cryptocurrency is very risky market here. Your money can become multiply as well as it can become also zero. So do your own research. As friend, I have invested here and I am also trying to tell you how you can make your money within a no time, friend. So what you need to do, first of all, in the description you would get a link, so click over there. After clicking you would be redirected to the sign up page, and where you need to fill your information about your email ID, your name and whatever, and then you need to activate its email ID. Then next step is to do KYC. It is taking some time to approve your KYC, taking 24 hours to maximum 72 hours, but I would tell you the technique how you can approve your KYC within 24 hours. So let's proceed guys. After KYC, when you would log in, you would see such kind of the interface like this. So over here you would have your name, and whatever the transaction you did would display over here. As in this case I just purchased $100 token, that is around 2200 lit token, and I also awarded 191 token as the referral, as I sponsor some people. Okay, so thanks those guys who just took part while referring. So thank you guys, and keep rocking. After KYC, this is the condition. If you really want to grow, you need to complete KYC, otherwise you can't take part, friend, here. So it is very mandate to take part. So guys, why I am saying this one, because many of the best YouTuber of the world are just creating video regarding promoting this token, and I am not promoting, friend. I just want to help you guys to make your money better within time, and get financial free, because this token could be for top 100 in coming years, just like BNB, FTX, KuCoin and many more guys. So after listing top 100, if you are missing such kind of the token, you would repent a lot after a few years. And if you are investing here, the risk is only $100 and the reward is multiplied to 100x even within 2 year to maximum 5 year. Because of the European countries, maximum people are not involving. So this project is from France, and a lot of people are involving in this project. Already it is capped 42% and remaining just 68 around, sorry, remaining just 58 around. So it's not more time, because it is taking 2 and 3 days, even in some cases more time, to approve your KYC. Okay guys, so don't miss and don't kill your time, because your $100 today investment could convert to $10,000 in the future, or even it become $100,000 within 2025. Okay guys, so how you have to buy? You would get an email after confirmation of approval of your KYC. Then you need to deposit. Where you have to click? You have to go to buy token. By clicking over here, you would get such kind of the page and interface. You can deposit using USDT, while blockchain, ERC20 as well as BEP20. So guys, if you are from European countries and want to invest using euro, you can directly click over here, and after there you can write it down how much starting money you invest. For example, here 89 euro is starting, and maximum there is no limit, I think. Okay. On the other hand, if you want to invest using crypto, you can use USD also, and these are actually currencies, USD and this one euro, and crypto are having three options: USDT, Ethereum and BNB. So for the instant approval of the payment, you need to pay through using BNB token, because this token is co-sponsored by Binance Smart Chain as well as Binance Cloud. So click over there. On the other hand, if you want to have invest some USDT, use ERC20 or BEP20, or you can use Ethereum if you are having much more Ethereum, but the fee is much more in Ethereum. So I would like to recommend you USDT because I was having some BEP USDT, so I use that one. On the other hand, you can use also BNB. That would be much simple to you. For example, in this case, you want to invest in BNB and you want to invest $1,000 worth of the BNB. Okay, so right over here, and after some time this would be display over your screen that you need to pay here 1.696 BNB. So keep some little bit above from this one, because some of token would be deducted as the gas fees. Okay guys, so what you need to do, and you would get 20,000 of the lit token. That would be very smart investment if they are doing very well and team is doing good, because the social media is growing so high and they guys are doing awesome guys. So there are maximum chances that this project could be very successful in the future. So click over there in the next page. After that you would get a page refresh BNB rate in 53 seconds, and then you would have a QR code. Copy that address, or directly you can scan that address using your Trust wallet as well as Binance account or whatever account you want to have for the payment, and after that you can complete your transaction. So guys, this is the QR code. Just scan this one, or you can copy this address and paste from where you want to withdraw account and deposit here. After confirmation, your token would be displayed over that. It could take 24 hours friends, so remember the time. If you are not receiving your token in the dashboard, then you can contact to customer service while using this email friend. Okay, after that you would get such kind of that whatever if this one is pending. So I need to wait for that, because I am buying some more friend here. So I would pay this one, and after paying I would get such kind of the token like this one here. It's approved friend. You can see it has been approved over here, and I received this one. Okay, so you can also do the same. And after that, don't miss this greatest opportunity, because you would not get this back in the life, and once the time would over, so you would repent. Okay, so you can invest here minimum $100 to maximum whatever your budget is. It could also be $10,000, but do your own research. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video guys. And you can go through their social media. It is growing very rapidly. It is already 52,000 plus friend, and going parabolic friend, and 40%, 42% of the their sale has been over. So strategic sale is over, and round 1 is over. Round 2 is going to be almost 50% very soon, and then it is almost having only 7 days I think. Yeah, so do not miss friend, and don't miss this. Go through their white paper and go through their pitch deck. You would get each and every information over there, and I find this good, so I am going to invest this one because this is having amazing team as well as good concept fund and a real use case for European countries members, and all of the citizens would invest over there, and it could be the next top 10 cryptocurrency in the future. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe and comment if you are having any problem regarding this project. Thank you very much guys.